Google just dropped Gemma 4 and it completely changes the game for local AI. We now have a 31 billion parameter model that goes toe to toe with those massive trillion parameter giants. And you can run it locally right from your own desktop. But that's not even the craziest part. They also released tiny phone-sized models that natively understand video and audio with near zero latency. So how did Google cram so much intelligence into such a tiny package without melting your battery? Let's get into it. The secret is in the new E2B and E4B sizes. That E stands for effective. Instead of stacking bulky layers that chew through your RAM, Google gave the model quick shortcut lookups for every token. It gives the AI a massive vocabulary, but it only loads in exactly what it needs at any given millisecond. Big brains, but tiny footprint. And the proof is right here in the data. On an ELO chart, you want to be as high up and as far to the left as possible. Gemma nailed it. The 31 billion and 26 billion parameter models are swinging way out of their weight class, matching the performance of massive models like Qwen 3.5, but at a fraction of the size. So what can you actually do with these models? A lot. Because they natively support structured JSON output and system instructions, you can plug them directly into your agentic workflows to interact with tools and APIs completely autonomously. Now, Google says you can use Gemma 4 for offline code generation to turn your workstation into a local AI assistant. But let's be totally honest, if I'm writing serious code, I still want the biggest, baddest model on the planet. I'm using something like Claude Opus 4.6 or GPT-5. But for local automated tasks, it's fantastic. All four models natively process video and images, and those tiny E2B and E4B models, they actually have native audio input for speech recognition. That is wild for something running locally. But there is one catch that I have to point out, the context window. The Edge models top out at 128,000 tokens, and the big 31 billion model only hits 256,000 tokens. If you're building massive agents, I really would have loved to see a bit more headroom there. So where can you run these? Thanks to Google's close partnerships with Qualcomm and MediaTek, these are built to run entirely offline across edge devices. So phones, Raspberry Pis, Nvidia hardware, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they hit Apple devices next. The ecosystem is ready for this drop. You can grab it today on Hugging Face, run it locally with Ollama or LM Studio, and if you want to fine tune it, Unsloth has you covered. And the best part, Gemma 4 is completely free for commercial use under the Apache 2.0 license. Go download it, test it out, and fine tune it, because you know I will be. Let me know what you build in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.